Hello and welcome to another tutorial session with Chief Thought. I hope that you've liked and subscribed and you're following this channel. Please do well to follow if you're not for educative content like this that would help and guide you. Alright, let's head straight into the video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to copy a list to another board in Trello. First of all, you would have to log in or sign up if you haven't done that. For the purpose of this video, I'll simply sign up. So I'll simply log in to Trello. All right, and it will take me to my dashboard. For ease and speed, we'll head straight into the video. So we'll straight head over to our board, click on that, and then this is my board with which I'll be working with. So if you want to duplicate the Trello list and move it to a different board, here is the simplest way to do it. Navigate to the board where the list you want to copy is located. So for the purpose of this video, I would navigate to this board. This is the board I would be working with. And then at the top right of the list, you see this three dotted line, right? Click on it and you will see a list of options: add card, copy list, move list, sort, watch, and all of these things that are listed over here. But what we want to do is to copy a list to another board in Trello. So we'll just head over here and click on copy list. All right, so what you would have to do here is to rename the list. So I would name it something fancy. Let's just say we want to font list. All right, and then we'll click on create list. All right, as you can see on your screen, this list over here has been copied or duplicated over here. So this is a short and simple way to copy a list to another board in Trello. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and follow us for more videos like this. Until the next video, bye for now.